enter into marriage without coercion, freely and wholeheartedly?
Yes.
I do.
I do.
Are you prepared as you follow the path of marriage to love and honor each other for as long as you both shall live?
I do.
I do.
Yes,
Are
I
you
do.
prepared to accept children in love from God and bring them up according to the law of Christ and His church?
Yes, I do.
Since it is your intention then to enter the covenant of holy matrimony, we ask you to join your hands, declare your consent now before God and His church. Christopher, do you take Laura to be your wife? Do you promise to be faithful to her in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health, to love her and to honor her all the days of your life?
I do.
Laura, do you take Christopher to be your husband? Do you promise to be faithful to him in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health, to love him and to honor him all the days of your life?
I do.
Laura, receive this ring
Laura, receive this ring
as a sign of my love and fidelity.
as a sign of my love and fidelity.
In the name of the Father,
In the name of the Father,
and of the Son,
and of the Son,
and of the Holy Spirit.
and of the Holy Spirit.
Christopher, receive this ring
Christopher, receive this ring
as a sign of my love and fidelity.
as a sign of my love and fidelity.
In the name of the Father,
In the name of the Father,
and of the Son,
and of the Son,
and of the Holy Spirit.
and of the Holy Spirit.
Give a round of applause.
Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la. I was down at the New Amsterdam, staring at this yellow-haired girl. Mr. Jones strikes up a conversation with a black-haired flamenco dancer. You know she dances while his father plays guitar. She's suddenly beautiful, and we all want something beautiful. Man, I wish I was beautiful. So come dance in silence down through the morning. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la, yeah. Yeah. Cut up, Maria. Show me some of them Spanish dances and pass me a bottle, Mr. Jones.
most importantly, you survived the ultimate test that night. You put up with us hijacking touch tunes to play Who Let the Dogs Out as many times in a row as we could. And the regulars hated us for it. From day one, you fit into her story perfectly, and I've never had to question if my best friend is feeling loved or prioritized. Thank you for always appreciating her, understanding her, and for taking such good care of her heart.
Over the years, Laura has joined my family on several vacations and adventures, making it even more fun. I was the first to meet Chris. One evening, I was out to dinner with my husband, Joe, and some neighbors, and Laura spotted me from across the room, asking me if I was at a restaurant called Barrel and Vine. After dinner, Joe and I stayed and joined Chris and Laura for another drink. It was only their second date, but I remember thinking they were a great match.
Laura has always been an amazing combination of love, kindness. She's shy but also outgoing. She's deeply caring, loyal, and a little stubborn. I could call Laura on the phone anytime to talk about anything. No judgment. She's an amazing aunt to nieces and nephews and would do anything for them. As her sister, I've watched her love others with her whole heart, and now she found someone who matches that love. Chris, the way you are with Laura, the way you support her, and yes, even the way you put up with her late night Taco Bell runs to get her cheesy gordita crunch, not to be too specific, we love you for that. Watching the two of you together, it's clear that this isn't just a love story, it's a partnership, a friendship, and a team.
Laura, we love you so much. You've been the best sister, aunt, friend, and now the most beautiful bride.
Chris, welcome to the family.
We are so happy for both of you, and we can't wait to see everything life has in store for you together. So let's all raise a glass to Laura and Chris. May your life together be full of love, laughter, and late night snacks. Cheers!
The strands in your eyes that color them wonderful style me and steal my breath. And emeralds from mountains thrust towards the sky, never revealing their depth. And tell me that we belong together, and dress it out with the trappings of love. I'll be captivated, I'll hang from your lips instead of the gallows of heartache that hang from above. And I'll be your crying shoulder, I'll be love suicide, and I'll be better when I'm older. I'll be the greatest fan of your life. And rain falls angry on the tin roof as we lie awake in my bed. And you're my survival, you're my living proof. My love is alive and not dead. And tell me that we belong together, and dress it out with the trappings of love. I'll be captivated, I'll hang from your lips instead of the gallows of heartache that hang from above.